Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to feed the wild deer in Heartopia. In Heartopia, there's a daily activity where you can feed wild animals, and one of them is the deer. And you can find this animal at these locations on this near the forest lake like this. Just go to the trough on here, and then just remember every wild animal has its own favorite weather and favorite food. And for this deer, its favorite weather is on bright weather and rainbows. And its favorite food is prawns, lettuce, and then salad. And so just make sure you feed it during its weather, or just give it its favorite food to make it grow faster. And in here I want to feed it with its favorite food like this. And then next, just simply tap on feed, and okay, that's it. After feeding it for some time, you will usually receive a random rewards, and it will spawn at the 6 a.m. so just check back and keep feeding it consistently. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.